Hey guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am with another plan with me in my HOBONICHI weeks that I use for work. And this week I am working through I think it's the luxury, what was this called? The luxury sticker advent calendar from JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop. Love these. These are all hand drawn by her and I'm just in awe of her artwork. Let's get started. All right, so first thing I want to do is actually grab my Sailor Pro Gear Slim and write the days of the week. And this is currently inked with Sailor Ink Studio 237. I could not remember that for a second. I had to be like, clear my brain so that I could have the space to think and recall this information. Alrighty, so that's done. I love this big doorway and I'm going to place it right, crap. But if I do that, then when you make a reservation at a restaurant, always put a notebook and pen by your side. The time, the reason for the dinner, the number of people, everyone's characteristics and requests. Oh, okay. Well, the thing is, I want to put this here. Okay, well, I've read the quote. Is that awful of me to say, I've read the quote, we're done. I'm gonna save the typewriter for the other spread. I'll just put it down. So pretty. I want to find a really cute washi to go with this, but don't know what. I've done a little clear out of my washi recently, and that clear out involves getting rid of just things I'm not even really using that much anymore. So let's maybe find some pink. Oh, that pink will be perfect. Too big, unless I do it like this or like this to just cover up the rest of that. I don't mind. Okay, then I'm gonna place the books up at the top here with some more of this washi. I love this pink washi. It's gonna be a very simple plan with me because I'm gonna place, where am I gonna place this February? Actually, I'm gonna just place it like this. And I'm gonna make sure I leave myself with enough stickers for my HOBONICHI cousin, and I think I have. I almost wanna actually leave these for the, I'm getting ideas in my head while I'm doing this, so, okay. One, I'll use one. Wow, that was difficult. And place it like that with a little bit more washi. And then the rest of those stickers I'm gonna save for my HOBONICHI cousin. Perfect, so I'll go ahead and fill in my meetings. So there is my very quick plan with me in my HOBONICHI weeks. This is my work planner. So really, I decorate this just so that I can have something pretty to look at when I look at all the meetings that I have. Like Wednesday's gonna be insane, 8 meetings. Although saying that, my 5:30 one probably isn't gonna happen because I have to leave early that night because it's Robin's open house for junior high school. Oh my goodness. But anyway, the purpose of me decorating my work planner is that I want a pretty place to look at when I look at all my meetings and then write all my notes for the week. And that's why it is so simple. It's not something that I need a whole bunch of trackers for. It really literally is meetings, to-do list, notes. Very easy, very simple. All right, But that is it for me. Oh my gosh, I almost choked. That is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Have any of you guys purchased JoJo's Pretty Paper Shop, her advent calendar, or any of her stickers? Because I highly recommend them. She's an amazing, amazing artist, and I'm not on her PR team or anything, but I just think she's the loveliest person. All right, thank you guys again so much for watching, and have yourselves a great day.